Here at the Delaware Nature Society, part of our mission is to foster understanding, appreciation, and enjoyment of the natural world through education. One way that we accomplish this is through fun and engaging summer camps. Let's take a closer look and see why our summer camps are so special.
How did you get? How did you get? Guys, awesome!
So, how do the summer camps promote education?
Summer camp is a wonderful time to be outside. If you're 3 or 4, you can come to the Nature Society and explore streams and the red clay and find frogs and toads.
I got an ant and a worm.
An ant and a worm?
And I covered them up.
Oh, I saw the ant. There he is.
Ant.
Crawling around. Nice. Good job, high five. Yeah.
It's so fun to be outside when you can learn in a hands-on way. We're using kayaks and canoes and tools such as soil augers and microscopes and digital cameras. Any way that we can think of to help children explore and observe and enjoy being outside.
I'm gonna get hundreds and hundreds, thousands and thousands, millions and millions, hundreds and hundreds, thousands and thousands, hundreds and hundreds and millions and millions and millions.
How many zeros is that?
482.
Wow. What about our streams and...
Oh, streams and ponds, which is a tail race. We also have Lenape huts that get used. All of our sites have their unique niche with lots of structures and hidden natural places. Coverdale Farm's niche is healthy eating, healthy living, and so you will find chore camps, you will find nutrition-based cooking camps, and we're also looking at exercise, but not calling it exercise. Hiking and bird watching and yoga are being incorporated into programs as well.
So what are you guys making?
Cupcakes.
What kind of cupcakes?
Zucchini, lemon cupcakes.
Zucchini and lemon cupcakes? Are you going to give me one?
No.
No? Oh.
We all learn from playing.